To our viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, so my name is Erick Oduor. I am a teacher of physics and mathematics, and today I'll be taking us through mathematics grade 10, grade 7, I mean. And I hope you will enjoy. Now, our lesson will be a little bit more interactive. And for that matter, I would request that you turn on your videos wherever. Make sure you're sharing my screen. So if to turn on your video so that I'm able to see you. We're going to have a number of activities, all of which are going to help us in attaining the objective or the learning outcome for the lesson. Okay, good enough. So we have the PowerPoint slide here. Digital teachers, wherever you are, you will be to do the so we'll be having learning activities or learning experiences that we're going to carry out in the process of learning. And I would suggest as you submit the outcome feedback, the data that is gathered, you state the name the grade, and then this in the course of the lesson. If you can hear me so well, please, if you're ready to capture the number, just type yes on the comments section. And also the learners, if you can hear me so well, the sound is okay, you can get signals very clearly. Type you, Isaac. Yeah, somebody's called Exam. Hey, you are that, what a powerful name, you know. Yeah, so please, that confirms that you can hear me so well. I appreciate the feedback from Gloria, Marion. Yeah, that is great. Yeah, so please remember to indicate the data that I've talked about, the name of the student, and this data, the feedback that you'll be gathering from the activities, please remember to submit them to 0724. Because you'll be doing this in the course of the lesson, it is important that you get this right. 0724 766 301. My technical team, you can be on the standby to type it on the chat box so that the learners can follow very clearly. They can be able to see the number there where they're supposed to be sending the feedback. So you will be, what you'll be doing, we'll be giving the learners, this goes to the digital teachers, the ones who are physically present at the digital classrooms. You will be allowing the learners to carry out the activities and checking that they are safe. One, they do not access unwanted data and sites. And possibly you could also be of help when it comes to challenges that they could be facing at those centers. Then, as they carry out the activities, this goes to the digital teachers present at the digital classrooms. As they carry out the activities, remember to take a video of them doing that activity and send it to the same number that I've shared so that we are able to analyze and give feedback on the same. Okay, fine. So our lesson for today will be talking about place values and the use of place values in real life. Just a minute. So you can see my name is displayed on the screen. Those who are wondering what my name is, please, my name is already displayed on the screen. You can see it there. It is written Teacher Eric. I'm the one who is taking you through this lesson, and I hope you will enjoy. And as I've said, the lesson is supposed to be quite interactive. And the digital teachers, please be on the standby to be of assistance to the learners. Now, this is our lesson summary. This is how it's going to look like. So we will start with an introduction. What we'll do at the introduction, what is expected of us. I really believe that even part of what I'm talking about right now forms part of the introduction to our lesson. Then we'll have the first activity immediately after this, where I will be expecting you learners to watch some video. The video is presented in terms of a link. I don't know whether you'll be able to access it, but I'll be posting it on the chat box. Teachers, you'll be able to pick that link, post it on the Google, and then watch that video for about 3 minutes. And then learners be attentive and digital teachers be attentive. What you'll be doing after watching the video, you'll be able to write at least 3 things that you were able to learn through watching that video, or 3 items that you're able to observe as you are watching that video. What you learned, about 3. Just 3. 2 or 3. And then we will have what is called a place value chart. I really believe that by the end of this substrand, you'll be able to understand what place value chart is. Then after that, we'll have a second activity where you are going to prepare a place value chart, and that is the activity that the learners are going to carry out under the observation of the digital teachers. And then, of course, after that, the lesson will come to an end with an assignment and further activities that you're supposed to do after that. So here comes our first activity. So this is a link. I want you to, I'm going to post it on the chat box. Just a minute. I'm going to post it on the chat box. I want you to take just a minute. I'll not watch it from my end. I'll not play it from my end. So I'll copy the link and share it on the chat box. And then I will paste it on the chat box. I want you to copy the link back down just for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you are going to send the feedback. 3 things that you're able to learn. 3 things that you're able to learn through that video. So please, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let's go. That is, you're watching. Are we together? Are we together? If you're together, just type yes somewhere. Learners, you can type yes. You can say yes. Are we together, learners? Yes. Have you been able to access the link? The link. Teachers are assisting you. The digital teachers are assisting you to copy that link and to watch that video. And after a few minutes, to that video. Okay. And I'm observing from this end. I want to see whether you are watching. I can see somebody there by the name Dan Tan Tao. That name, what a powerful name there. Can see you are trying to watch. There is somebody there under the name Collins Masaha. What are the names of the students under Collins Masaha, please? Can I get to know the names of the two beautiful girls there? Yes, Collins. Can I get to know the names of the learners under the name Collins Masaha? Ah, okay. That's I want you to digital teachers, you need to check the videos they watch.
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about volunteer.
Ngoja kuongea.
Elapsed, so you need to be concluding so that we can carry on with our lesson. I'm giving you a few seconds to conclude. I need to be getting at least pictures, numbers anyway. It is fine. Yes. I'm waiting for response. I want to see videos of learners watching the video, just a short one, just a short clip that will not really crowd the device that I'm using. Okay, so please, I don't know who will go first, who will volunteer to go first, just to give us anything that you are able to learn through that video, please. Feedback. Who will go first? You can put up your hand. Anything that you're able to observe through that video. Somebody here? Yes, anybody? My technical team, if you see any hand up, please will notify me. Technical team, anybody? Helen Wanjiko, please. Go fast, please. Go fast. What did you learn through the video? Through the video? Yes. Yes, please. I can see 3 participants raise their hands. Who are these? There is Helen Wanjiko. There is Dan Tantau. Yes, please. Dan Tantau. You introduce yourself, your name, the school, and then you tell us what you're able to learn through that video.
Okay,
Go ahead, please.
my name is Dan Tantau. I learn at my learning center is at Sony Complex Comprehensive School, and I've learned from the video that place values can be categorized from ones up to. The video shows up to hundreds of millions. Some may have learned that can categorize them in their order. Thank you.
Ah, that is very good. Please remind me your name again.
My name is Dan Tantau. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Let's clap for her, please. Let's clap. I want to hear people clapping. Clap, 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 clap. That is very good. Are we clapping? You can also use the reactions button to clap. Okay, so she has learned that place values can be categorized from ones to hundreds of millions. 100 millions. Anyway, somebody else, I saw somebody else's hand. There is another one that I saw. The last one I will pick. I don't know whether Kiswate also, Kiswate founder, your name is, your hand is up. Okay. There is Collins. The name's under Collins Masaha. Please go ahead and give us feedback very fast.
My name is Flora Melvin. I'm from Aria Primary
Melvin.
School.
Yes. Yes.
And what I've learned is that place values can be used to group the number.
Please, if you don't clap, we'll not clap for you next time. You give a brilliant answer like that one. Wow, that is so encouraging. Fine. So all those answers that you have given are all correct. They are all correct. So when you talk about place value, we talk about the value of a given digits based on its position. You realize that if you look at all these digits that you can see, all these digits you can see, for example, if you look at this one here, this number here, this number has got very many digits. Which digits can you see on the number that I've cycled? Which digits can you see? Who will? The digits that you can see, the digits. Can you call them by name? Who will go fast? Who will go fast? I want to see somebody going here fast. Anybody? I want to see some hand. I've only seen one hand up. That one must be who? Mariam?
I can see digits.
Yes. Any other? Okay, Gloria?
Digit 1, digit 0, digit 9, digit 8, digit 7, 6, 5, 3, and 4.
Hey, Gloria Marion. Yes, all those are digits. So this value. So it is the value of a digit based on its position. Like this 9 here will have a value. Now, the way we name the place value. Remember, somebody told us that we named from ones to 100 millions. Now, in this lesson, we just stopped at 100 millions. You can continue and continue and continue. You know, you can continue. So in this lesson, we just stopped at that. But what is most important here that you want to say is that place values, we name them from right going to the left. You see, like that one. That's how we name them, starting with ones, then you go to tens. You see, like that. So, and that applies to whole numbers like the ones you can see on the screen. Maybe later on we can look at a different category of numbers. So today we're just talking about whole numbers. So we name them this way: ones, tens. Can you read with me? Hundreds. Please, let's go. Thousands. Somebody? 10,000. Continue.
100,000.
Continue.
Millions.
Yes.
10 millions.
And again.
100 millions.
Wow. Excellent. Can you clap for yourselves? You have done so well. Clap for yourselves, please. Wow. That is encouraging. So we normally name them like that. We use that and we can continue and continue and continue. So what we do is that you pick the first digit, like this one here, you put it in the first box, that is under ones, and then the second digit like that, and then you move like that, and then you move like that, and then you move like that. So in this case, you list them like that, starting from right, going to the left. Now, whatever that we have done, this one here, this diagram that you can see on the screen, the diagram that you can see on the screen, this is what we are calling a place value chart. We are calling it what? Somebody to put it? Place value what?
Place value charts.
Very good. Can you clap for yourself? So this is what we call a place value chart, where the numbers are arranged. Yes. So as you generate the place value chart, you start from farthest right, going to the left like that, like that, like that. So you start with the first digit on the right, first digit on your right. You know, most of us, we may not be able to tell where our right is, where our left, but this side here, the side that I'm shading, this side here, this side I'm calling it right. So you start from this side. If you don't know where your right is, you have to start from this side. You have to start from this side, and then you go to the left like that. So you start with the 9. Remember, we are going to do this activity after this. So I want you to understand that we are going to develop a place value chart. You're going to develop your own place value chart with different numbers. So what I want you to do after this is you are going to go into groups. Just a minute. So you're going to go into groups, and then you're going to come up with 2 numbers only. 2 numbers different from, please don't use the numbers that I have here. I want you to use 2 numbers, maybe 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a number like that. So you're going to come up with 2 numbers. This is the first one. You're not going to use mine. I want you to come up with your own number as an 8-digit number. The number must be 8-digit number. And then we need 2 of them. Please take note, and digital teachers will help me in this. I'm looking for 2 numbers. They must be, each of the 2 numbers must be having 8 digits. 8 digits. You can see even mine here is having 8. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I want you to come up with 8 digit number only, 8 digits number, and then 2 of them, like I've already given another one here, but don't use this. I'm just giving you an example. Then 2, you come up with another one, maybe 4, 7, until you get to digit number 8. And then you will put a place value chart like this one. Take a picture of that and send it to my WhatsApp right now. So that is the activity we are doing now. So please, 1, 2, 3. Please don't use my numbers. Don't use my numbers. Don't use the numbers on my screen. You're supposed to use different numbers. Don't use this. So you have to come up with numbers. You have to be very creative. You have to be very creative to come up with numbers that are different from the numbers you can see on the screen. And then draw. You can use a manila paper. You can just use a plain paper, as long as something that you're able to take. You can scan it if you have a scanner. That is for the digital teachers. And then please, I'll be expecting to see them on my, and I'll be displaying some of them, please, on the screen so that we discuss them together as we continue. So I want to see people working. Let me see who are not working. Let me see in groups of 2. Yes, thank you very much. In groups of 2. In groups of 2, please. In groups of 2. In groups of 2. I want to see who is not working. And I said your videos are supposed to be on. Most of us have turned off their videos. We cannot really see them. Ah, you people now. You people now. Ah, and I hope somebody is not sleeping there. Oh, somebody. Okay. Ah, okay. That is great. That is great. That is great. I can see Helen Wanjiko is working, trying to find, how do I get these numbers now? Oh, teacher, this is so challenging. Yes, I want you to be very creative. I want you to be very creative. Life is all about being very creative. You find a problem and then you have to be very creative. And sometimes it is so challenging. So you have to work together. You know, you have to work together collaboratively. And find a solution to the problem. So the problem we are having here now is we do not know how we are going to come up with an 8-digit number that looks like the one the teacher has drawn, the one for the teacher. This one, teacher. Teacher, will I manage? And somebody is not working. I hope everyone is working. I hope everyone is working. Who is not working? Who is not working? Somebody is playing instead of working. Remember, I'm seeing you. Remember, I'm seeing you. I'm seeing you. Yes. You people are really trying. That is good. That is good. I can see you are really trying. And remember, I will only stop when I see the picture on the WhatsApp. And I'm going to share some of them just to mark a few, maybe 1 or 2. See? We are really working. That is very good. And teachers, I hope you are taking a video, just a short clip of my learners working in groups, collaboratively. Yes. Yes, I want to see Helen Wanjiko in the video working so well. I can see they were really trying. Okay. The students at Collins Masaha, they're really trying to work. They're really trying to find these 2 numbers. How will we get these 2 numbers, by the way? You have to think creatively. Yes. Who is done? Who is the first one to finish so that we clap for them? Somebody's done. That's so fast. I don't think you are telling me the truth. Okay. We have 1 minute remaining to finish. So please hurry up. Remember, you cannot take forever. You can never take forever in doing something. You must work with the timelines. You must always be time conscious. You must always meet the timelines. So we cannot do it forever. We are only going to be giving you 30 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. And somebody sent me a message here. Good feedback, Gloria, Marion. Good job, Helen. Keep it up, girl. Happy as your teacher. Okay, fine. You can see your teacher is very proud of you if you do well. So I hope you're going to give me very good work done. Okay. Have you started receiving them? Anyone who has sent, please, if you have sent, please confirm in the chat box. Confirm that you have sent. Confirm that you have sent the video and you've sent the work. Please send the work done as a picture and then also send a short clip of the learners working in groups. I'm waiting for you. The moment that is sent, I will actually do what? Yes. I can see teacher Gloria, Marion's teacher, is trying to take a picture of the work done by Marion. Marion, that is good. Let me see some other person here. Some of us have muted their video, so I cannot really see what you are doing. But all the same, it is well. You refused to turn on your video. You people now. Okay. And remember, we had agreed you're not using my numbers. My number is 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Somebody is saying we cannot hear you. I don't know who that is. Please, if you can hear me again, you confirm. Somebody is saying haven't sent. Have sent. Oh, somebody has sent. Wow. And we're going to discuss it, by the way. We are going to discuss it. We are going to discuss it on 0, supposed to be sent to 0707. I mean 0724 766, please. 0724 766 301. I can't see any. Please check the number again. Let me put the number on the chat. My technical team, you ought to have assisted me on that. 0724 766 301. Yes, that is the number. It's on the chat. So please send it to that number. I'm still waiting. I want to see. Oh, I've seen one from Gloria. Gloria. We had said you indicate the name of the student, the school level. Yes, I can see Gloria here. This is very clear. How about the picture of the work done? Please, we want to analyze at least one, just to be sure that it is done. Please, just the picture of the work done only, please. I'm still waiting for more. Somebody here has also sent. This is who? Please indicate. This is why we had requested that you indicate the name. Indicate the name of the student. That is Deborah and Flora. Working as a group, they've been able to do one. Wow. They've been able to do one. Yes. In fact, let me display that one here so that you see it. I'll be able to do it. Okay. Let me hope I'll be able to see it. They've started coming. Wow. So it means we are finishing. They're now coming. Keep sending. I want them to be the only messages displayed on the screen. That means they have to be very many. They have to be very many for them to be the only messages displayed on my screen here. Okay. I'm still waiting. We've received a number. We are still waiting. Oh, there is one here. There is one here from Gloria. Yeah. There is one here very clear. You can see this one is very clear. You can see it. Wow. This is from Gloria. Even the names are displayed. You can see. Wow. This is excellent. I like this one. Yeah. Somebody is still sending. Someone is still sending. This is good. Keep it up, people. I'm proud of you. You are the best group of students we ever had at Kiswate Digital Academy. You are doing so well, exceptionally well. Anyway, let's look at the one that has been sent by, let me confirm the name again. Yeah, this is Gloria. Just a minute. The name keeps disappearing. Okay. They have, wow. We have sent them. Now at least they are coming. I can see there is one from There is one from who? There is one from, I've only seen Deborah. There is another one here from, some have not indicated names of students. You have not indicated the school. But anyway, that is part of feedback we're supposed to be getting, the way we are sending them. So like this one here is, we have lost your network issues. We have lost you network issues. This is who? Okay. You've done it in red. Okay, fine. Though we would advise you do it in blue anyway. So let's analyze this. So you can see they have tried to arrange them, all of them starting from the right-hand side of that number. Though the number here is not very clear, but at least we can see the number here. 9, digit 9 is in the place value ones, and then digit 8 tens. So you see with that, you'll be able to state the place values with ease if you have this. Now, that is good enough. Thank you very much for sending. I want us to move on so that, again, we save on time. Remember, we only have how many minutes remaining? We only have 15 minutes remaining to the end of the lesson. So those who have not sent, please remember to send later on. After the lesson, remember to send, please, because we are supposed to be almost 40-something, and some of us almost 30-something, and some of us have not sent. So please remember to send after the lesson. So you've agreed that when you are stating the place values, as you read the place values, you start from the farthest right as you move on towards the right, that way, that way, that way, that way, and you'll not have much trouble. You know, it will be so easy for you to do it. Anyway, let me continue. Now, I want to go into something else called use of using the place value chart. Just a minute. Let me handle technology. Just a minute, class, just a minute. Yes. Okay, good. Fine. So we are done with the place value chart. So this place value chart, where do we use it in real life? Where do we use the place value? Who knows where we use the place value in real life? Who can guess? Somebody to try and guess for us? Or who has an idea? Where do you use the place value? Why the place value chart? Why the place value? Why the place value? Who will try? Who will try? I want to see anybody's hand that is up. Anybody's hand that is up. Yes, Dan Tantau. Dan Tantau. Go ahead, please.
I want to try, like we use them in math lessons to discuss about, to add more knowledge. We use them in math lessons.
In math lessons, okay. Good trial. Use them in math lessons. Any other person, Helen? Helen, please. It's your turn to answer right now. It is your turn, Helen. Okay. Okay. Dan Tantau, your hand is still up. I don't know whether you want to try. So one of the uses of this place value chart is that we can also use it to write numbers in words. Like how do you read the number? For example, if you give you the number like the one you can see on the screen, number 1, my number 1, the number that I wrote on the chart as number 1, this one, supposedly you're given this number to write it in words. You've written, the number is just having figures only. How do you write it in words? How do you write it in words? How do you write the number in words? Who can try? Who can try? Who knows how to write the number in words? Somebody? You want to write the number that I've given here, this number here. You want to write it in words. How will you write it in words? Somebody wants to try? Calling somebody under Collins Masaha. That name Masaha is normally giving me trouble pronouncing, but it's a powerful name. Yes, please introduce yourself and tell us how you'll read that number. How do you read it?
My name is Flora Melvin.
Oh, Flora Melvin. I need to write it down somewhere. Flora Melvin. Please go ahead. You have a powerful name. Keep going.
345,678,901.
Okay. Wow. That is great. Let's clap for Flora Melvin. Very good. Now, Flora Melvin, how did you do it? Could you kindly explain to us how you did it? What formula did you use to help you arrive at that? We just told you, write the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1 in words. And then you just got it so accurately. What did you do? How did you do it?
So we have two methods. I used,
Yes.
First, you can use the place value chart. Under the place
Yes.
value chart, you group them into
Yes.
3, which is
Yes.
tens,
Flora, hold on just a minute, Flora. So you are saying we group them into 3. So we write, let me write it on my right-hand side here. So we write 3, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 8, I mean. And then there is 901. 901. My 0 is looking like a Q. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's technology. But anyway, that is, I meant to write 0 here. This is supposed to be 0. Yes. So how do you group them? Please tell us. How do you group them, please?
We start with the right-hand side, which is
ones. The right-hand side, and then we group them into
3.
Okay. Please go ahead.
And then we group all of them into 3. And in the place value chart, it is clearly indicated that the first group is under hundreds. The second
this
group,
one here. Oh, so this is hundreds. Wow, Flora, Melvin, that is hundreds. Okay, continue.
The second group is under thousands.
This is thousands. Thousands.
And the third group is under millions.
And then the last group here is under millions. Oh, millions. If you're given millions, money in terms of millions, you become very happy. You become very happy. Okay, go ahead, Melvin.
So you start by the million side. You start by 345 million.
Yes.
678,901.
Yes. Now, how did you know that these ones, for the last 3 here, are under millions? How did you know that? Please, or maybe somebody, I think now, I don't know. Anyway, let's just continue. Possibly you could be the only one knowing that. I don't want to assume though. How did you know that these ones are under millions? The first 3 ones. Yes, please.
According to the place value chart, we have 100 millions, 10 millions, and millions.
Wow. Yes. Continue.
So the millions are the ones to indicate you on how to start.
Very good. Let's clap for Melvin. That is exemplary. Wow. Splendid. Keep it up. Yeah. So are we clapping? Did we clap? Clap again, please. I didn't hear anybody clap for Melvin for giving us such a brilliant idea. So that is how you do it. So if you go to the place value chart, you can see under this is millions. You can see it's written millions. And then when you come to this, let me use a different color so that you're able to see it. This one here is thousands. The 3 here. And then finally, this one is under hundreds. Yes, like that. So that is how the place value chart is going to help us to write numbers in words. So even if you are to continue later on as you grow up, as you go to year 8, year 9, and then you continue like that, you are still going to continue grouping them in groups of 3 like that. But then how you know that this is millions, this is thousands, the other one is hundreds, use the place value chart. And now that is what I want you to do. So the numbers that you wrote, now I want you to go and use the place value chart that you drew to write those numbers in words, and then take a picture again and send it to me in 2 minutes only, or 3 minutes, and then you'll get back. Please, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let's go. Yes, I want to confirm that people are doing it. Please, in groups. That's the last activity we are having. We will not have another activity. It's the last one, the very last one. The very last one. So use the place value chart that you drew to do what? To write the numbers that you had identified. The same numbers you had identified in groups of 2. In groups of 2. Please write those numbers in words using the place value chart, as it has been explained to us here by Melvin so excellently. Okay, I hope you are working. I hope you are working. Your time is running so fast. Your time is running so fast. So if you don't move with speed, you will not get enough time to finish the task. Remember, that is the task. Again, you are supposed to take a picture and send to the number 07. Let me write it on the screen. 07. Oh, blue is not clear. Let me use red. 0724 766301. This is the number through which you're supposed to send the feedback today. Today, we are sending it only through this number. So you take a picture of the work that you have done, and then you do what? And then you send it to the WhatsApp number. Yes, so please, I want to see as many of us as possible sending. As many of us as possible sending, please. Remember to send. Time is almost. I hope you are doing it. I want to see you. I'm just trying to fix my camera. It went off.
Recording in progress.
Hurry up. Is up. Time is almost up. You're running out of time.
In progress.
My camera is back. Now I can see. Now I can see when Jiko is trying to do it. Marion is doing it. Now I can see us doing it, working. This is very good. This is very good, though most of us are muted, and the videos are not on. But at least I can see a good number of us are working. That is very good. That is very good. Those of us whose videos are on, and I can see you are busy engaging in the activity that we have given you. That one is so encouraging. That is excellent. Perfect. Keep it up. If I had a present, I would have sent you immediately. But anyway, don't be worried. I'll see whose work is excellent. Whose work is excellent. Excellent. Yes. Time is, it's almost time, so hurry up. Remember, time is money. Time is money. Time is money. Time is a resource. So you have to utilize it well. Okay. Let me see who has sent. Again, if you're done, you just confirm in the chat. Somebody saying, good job, Helen. Good job, Helen. Somebody has confirmed there. Helen is doing good job. Somebody there is also confirming Helen Wanjiko is struggling to give feedback. Please permit her to possibly put on her video and react. Yeah, technical team, please take note. Take note of that and act accordingly. Technical team, please act on that. Okay.
Hello.
Okay,
Why are you
good.
saying mute?
Helen, somebody's called Helen here. Let me go back to the chat. The chat, somebody is saying Helen Wanjiko is struggling to give feedback. Please permit her to possibly put on her video and react. Okay. Yeah, so please, technical team, remember to take note of that and act accordingly. So we are almost finishing. We'll be finishing in a short while. We'll be done completely. We will be done. Please submit the work. Immediately I get the response from at least, yeah, like I can see somebody here is called Deborah Flora. Yes, they have written them in words. Wow. Let me read. Because of time, I may not be able to share it on the screen. It's not very clear though, but they have said there the number they had was 579,126.25. So they have 92,136,000. The other ones are not very clear. Anyway, but at least you have sent. That is very good. Keep it up. So I want us to conclude. So for those who have not sent, time is up. So please just make sure you complete later on and send. The feedback that I'm getting is indicating that most of us are very comfortable. Actually, you are exceeding expectation. I was expecting, you are exceeding expectation, and that is very good. Keep it up. Let me see the last one here. Okay. So in conclusion, as we conclude, everyone, no more writing. We are concluding together. In conclusion, who can remember what we have learned through this lesson today as we come to an end? Who can remember what we have learned today? Somebody? I don't know whether I can see. I can see somebody's hand up. Somebody's hand. What you have learned through this lesson. Anybody? I want to see your hand. If you can tell us what you have learned through this lesson. Helen. You people. It's only Helen and Marion. No. Jane. Somebody here is called Jane Jambi. Jane Jambi, can you try and tell us what you have learned through this lesson? Jane? Okay. And Anastasia. Yes. Please go ahead, Jane.
I have learned that we can use place value to group numbers.
Oh, that we can use the place value chart. We can use the place value chart to write numbers in words. Yes, we can use the place value chart to write numbers in words. Yes. Anybody else? No. Somebody here is called who? Clarice Ajuang. The student under that, please. Okay. Clarice, unmute and tell us something as we finish. We are finishing. In the next few minutes, the lesson will be done. Okay, Doreen. Okay, Felix. There is somebody there by the name Mary Main. I don't know whether you have students under that name. Okay, good. So we've said the place value of a digit. The place value of a digit is the value of that digit based on its position in the number. And then the place value can be used to determine or to write the given number in words. It is one of the useful tools that can be used to write a given number in words. Now, I have an assignment here that you will be sent to electronically. Don't be worried. You don't have to copy. This assignment, you'll be able to send it to you electronically. Do not be worried. So when you immediately receive it, remember to attempt, and you'll be able to send the feedback still through the number that I've given. Otherwise, that is all for the day. Until next time, goodbye.